In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach MP3 with email in Mailerlite. First, sign into your Mailerlite account. On the login page, choose the Google option to make things quick, then select your Google account to continue. Once you're in your dashboard, head to Campaigns. From there, open your draft and click Design Email to enter the editor where you'll build your message. Here's an important bit of context before we link the audio. Mailerlite, like most email platforms, doesn't let you attach large files such as MP3s directly to a campaign. This is to protect deliverability and keep emails from bouncing. Instead, you'll upload your MP3 to a hosting service, think Google Drive, Dropbox, or your website's media library, and then share it using a link inside your email. That way, subscribers can click to listen or download without your email getting blocked by attachment limits. Inside the Mailerlite editor, decide how you want people to access your audio. You can use a button for a clear call to action or simply hyperlink a line of text. Click to select the button or highlight the text you want to use so the editing toolbar appears. Then click the link icon and choose Insert Link. Now paste the shareable URL to your MP3 from your hosting service. If you're using a cloud drive, make sure the sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view or download. Otherwise, subscribers may hit a permission wall. If your host offers a direct file link, that can provide a smoother experience, especially for download actions. Label your button or link clearly, something like Listen Now or Download the MP3, so people know exactly what will happen when they click. After inserting the link, glance over the preview inside the editor to ensure the link looks clean and sits naturally in your design. Keep your email copy short and focused around the action you want, listening or downloading. This helps engagement and reduces confusion. A couple of quick best practices as you wrap up. Host a reasonably sized file to ensure fast playback, and avoid changing the file's location after you've added the link so it doesn't break. If you're linking from a site page instead of a direct file, make sure the page is mobile friendly since many subscribers read on their phones. And that's it. You've signed in, opened your campaign, designed your email, selected your button or text, added the link, and pointed it to your hosted MP3. Your subscribers can now click and enjoy the audio right from your message.